I found this large wooden ornament at Michael's, and I'm going to start by painting it with Republic Red. I did do 2 coats, and I'm using my S30 Klingon brush. It's great for crafts. It's nice and small, and it cleans with just soap and water. I'm going to be using the Heavy Metal by Wise Owl. It's the metallic in the silver. You could also use Smoky Quartz, which is a gray. And I'm covering the top of the ornament holder area in this heavy metal color. I'm going to be using the Menda border. This is from Redesigned by Prima. We have several different ones to choose from on chalkitupfancy.com. We have smaller ones, and this is a little bit of the thicker one, and it has this nice, pretty scalloped pattern. It is adhesive. The roll, I believe, is 3 yards long, and I'm just going to be using our Snow Owl and a dabber. The stickiness on this is pretty intense. It worked really, really well. And I did wash mine and re-stick it to some wax paper so I could reuse it. Once I lift this, I took some glitter in the white. It's kind of like an opally tone. And the paint is wet, so I just took some saran wrap and just laid it down and pressed it, and then released all the excess glitter just to give it a little a nice sparkle to it. I found this spray, I believe at Big Lots, and I'm just clipping off different parts of it that I want to use, and I'm going to be using my Bosch stapler. If you're interested in the stapler, we do have links to our Amazon account. And I'm stapling the sprays on. The different parts. Kind of had the silver leafy part. It kind of went back with the green, the silver, and the white. Pine cone, this little white ball. I just loved it. So it worked out great for me. And it actually looked really pretty like this, but I could see some of my staples, so I did put a bow in the center. And this ribbon kind of had the barn red, the gray, and it had some sparkly stitching edging on it. I'm just going to use some floral wire to tie the center. I just did a basic bow. And this tied it down with the wire. And here you go. Now you have this cute little ornament that I actually ended up spraying with just some matte finish spray to hold down the sparkles. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.